Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mawan Arifin, a present in Journal International MSCAIS 2021. In this title, Analysis of Company Performance Using Balance Scorecard Method in PT Nutek Pundi Arta. Team author, the first Muhammad Mawan Arifin, and the second Muhammad Farel Fawazi, and the third Osep Iju Zaman. We come from Industrial Engineering STT Wastu Kancana, Purwakarta. Introduction. Today's business competition between companies is very tight. Companies must be able to compete competitively, so companies need to measure their performance for a certain period of the time in order to get an overview of the company's performance condition. Companies need a sustainable business development strategy that can compete and development well. Important things that play a role in this development are internal factor and external factor of the company. PT Nutek Mundi Arta selected as the object of research in industry engaged in cutting, assembling, and dice cutting manufacturing service for automotive parts needed as well as mold cutting, mandrel, and so on for industrial needs. Sales at PT Nutek Mundi Arta for the April until October 2020 period, there was no significant increase in sales with an average increase of 1% per month. This provides an overview of the company's performance that tends to stagnate, which should be a good company condition that has a sales level that tends to increase from time to time, which will be able to increase the company competitiveness. Today's performance measurement is one them using the balance scorecard. This method is a performance measurement concept introduced by Robert S. Kaplan and Norton 1996. As a comprehensive performance measurement method, the is arranged in four perspectives. It is financial, customer, internal business process, learning, and growth. The measurement results are translated into strategic mapping, which is part of the balance scorecard framework to describe strategic steps for value creation, which can help PT Nutek Mundi Arta improve the company's condition in the following years. Research purpose. The purpose of this study was to determine the company's performance by using the balance scorecard method and making a mapping of the company's development strategy PT of PT Nutek Mundi Arta. Literature review. Performance measure can be seen in terms of a certain quantity and quality in accordance with the standards set by organization or company. The form can be tangible is measurement can be set or standard, or intangible is cannot be determined by measuring instrument of or standards, depending on the form and process of the work. Performance measurement. According to Larry De Stout in UNO 2002, state the performance measurement is a processing of recording and measuring the achievement of the implementation of activities in the direction of achieving the mission. His mission accomplishment through the result displayed in the form of product, service, or process. So performance measurement is the process of assessing the progress of achieving the goals and objectives set by the organization to support the achievement of the organization mission, including assessing the efficiency and effectiveness of organizational activities. Balance scorecard concept. The balance scorecard concept is an approach to measuring performance that will assess financial performance and non-financial performance. The idea of the balance scorecard is to measure the company's performance and target from 4 different angles. So far, the measure is formally only for finance, such as using the balance sheet and income statement, or by calculating financial ratios such as the ratio of liquidity, solvency, and profitability of the company. The balance scorecard shows the existence of a performance measurement that combine financial and non-financial measurement by Robert S. Kaplan and Norton, 1996. There are 4 perspectives of business performance measure in the balance scorecard as follow. First, financial perspective. Second, customer perspective. Third, internal business process perspective. And then fourth, learning and growth perspective. Strategy map model. Strategy mapping can also be interpreted as a strategic part of the balance scorecard framework to describe strategies for value creation. This concept was introduced by Robert S. Kaplan and David Norton as a framework for developing and implementing strategy based on the perspective of the balance scorecard. Next, research methods. Data collection was obtained from interview, documentation technique, and questionnaire to manager, employee, and customer of PT Nutek Pundi Arta. In this one, population sample the data collection. The population is the total number of subjects whose characteristic will be estimated. The population in the study is divided into 2 types, namely internal and external population. For internal consists of manager, structural, and employee of the Nutek Pundi Arta, a total of 183 employees, and the external population are customer of PT Nutek Pundi Arta, totaling 9 companies. The sample is part of the population elements to be studied. The basic idea of sampling is that by selecting part of the population element, conclusion about the entire population are expected to be obtained. Cooper 2001. In the first internal sample. Internal sample are samples that are within the company, such as manager, structural, and employee of the PT Nutek Pundi Arta, which consists of 183 employees. And the second external sample. External sample are samples that are outside of the company, such as customer of PT Nutek Pundi Arta. PT Nutek Pundi Arta itself consists of 9 customers. Data collection techniques. The data collection technique used are as follow. The first, interview techniques. Interview technique is a data collection technique by asking direct question about the state of the company. And the second, document engineering. Documentation technique is a data collection technique by obtaining the necessary data by recording existing data in the company. And the third, questionnaire. Questionnaire is a method of collecting data by compiling a written list of questions regarding the indicator contained in the balance scorecard. The next, the data processing. The first, business strategy data processing. The value describe the condition of the performance PT Nutek Pundi Arta is very satisfied because it is in the 0 until 80 value range. This can be interpreted that the business strategy of PT Nutek Pundi Arta is as excellent. This table result for strategy business interest ranking. Interest ranking in the rating first is strategy goal attribute, rating 2, strategy formulation attribute, rating 3, training attribute. From the result of the priority analyzed above, the study can concluded that the strategy objective attribute is a top priority for PT Nutek Pundi Arta, further strategy formulation and training. And the second, customer perspective data processing. PT Nutek Pundi Arta from the customer perspective is good. After knowing the customer answer to the order of importance of its attribute, the value of the product of the order of important with the number of customer is carried out as follow. In this table, interest ranking results. In the ranking result, rating first, price attribute, rating second, quality attribute, and rating third, time attribute. From the result of the analysis of this study, it can be concluded that the price attribute is the most important priority for customer in using PT Nutek Pundi Arta product. Then the quality and time attribute. In the third, financial perspective data processing. Financial perspective analyze with the net profit margin NPM, return on investment ROE, and return on equity ROE. Around the three ratio can be seen. The table is follow. This table of net profit margin NPM, return on investment, return on equity of the PT Nutek Pundi Arta in the year 2018 until 2020. When viewed from the analysis of ROE, it is known that ROE always decrease. This is not proportional to the total asset issued by the company. The company annual issues large asset and increase every year, but the profit earned by small companies even decrease every year. If we look at the NPM ratio, it can be seen the financial perspective is not effectively because the NPM percentage value decrease every year. The increase in interest expense cause the company's profit to decrease even though the annual sales increase. In the summary, data processing, the first business strategy, data processing, focus strategy, formulation and training, and the second customer perspective data processing, focus in the quality and time attributes, and the third financial perspective data processing, the NPM percent value decrease every year. The next, the fourth, market share data processing, customer retention, customer acquisition, and profitability. Based on data processing, the result obtained with the overall manager attitude value of 97. This value describes the manager attitude toward the performance condition PT Nutek Pundi Arta is satisfied because it is in the range of value 90 until 160. It can be said that the performance of PT Nutek Pundi Arta seen from the customer perspective is good. In this table, interest rating result, rating first, market share, rating second, customer profitability, rating third, customer retention, and rating fourth, customer acquisition. From the above calculation, it can be seen the market share ranks first. This means that market share is the most important measure for manager from a customer perspective. In this, customer retention, customer acquisition, customer profitability. And the next, in the five, internal business perspective data processing. Based on the data processing, the result of the manager attitude value as a whole is 114.41, which describes the manager attitude toward the working condition of PT Nutek Pundi Arta is satisfied because at least in the value range of 80 until 160. It can be said the performance of PT Nutek Mundi Arta when viewed from the perspective and the internal business process is good. In this table, interest rating result, rating first, operation process, rating second, innovation process, rating third, after sales service. From the calculation above, it can be seen that operation process rank first. This means the operation process is most important measure for manager in providing satisfying to customer. Then the process of innovation and after sales service. In the summary, the first market share, data processing, customer retention, customer acquisition, and profitability. The most important measure for manager from a customer perspective in this customer retention, customer acquisition, customer profitability. And the second, internal business perspective and processing, data processing. The most important measure for manager in providing satisfying to customer, then the process of innovation and after sale service. The next, data processing, and the sixth, learning and growth perspective data processing. Based on data processing, the result of the attitude value of employee as a whole is 103.36. This value illustrates the employee attitude toward the performance condition of PT Nutek Mundi Arta is satisfied because it is in the range value of 80 until 160. It means that what employees want to is the same as the condition that exists in the company today. Companies can provide a satisfaction to their employees. It can be said that the performance PT Nutek Mundi Arta seen from the perspective of good growth and learning. It is stable interest rating result, rating first communication, rating two, rating second endorsement, rating third award. From the calculation above, it can be seen the communication has the highest value, which is 296. This means the communication is the most important measure for employee. Another consideration that affect employee satisfaction is support and appreciation. The next, 7. The data processing employee capability, information system capability, and motivation, empowerment, and alignment. Based on the data processing, the result of the manager attitude value as a whole is 107.71. This value describes the manager attitude toward the working condition of PT Nutek Mundi Arta. Manager attitude toward the working the PT Nutek Mundi Arta is in satisfied category because it is in the 80 until 160 value range. This can be interpreted that manager have some belief the company's performance. This table interest rating result, rating first, motivating, empowerment, and alignment. Rating second, employee capability, rating third, information system capability. From the calculation above, it can be seen the motivation, empowerment, and alignment rank first with a value of 15. This means that motivation, empowerment, and alignment are the most important measure for the manager to determine to what extent employees contributed to the company. The summary, the first, learning and growth perspective data processing. That communication is most important measure for employee. Another consideration that affect employee satisfaction is support and appreciation. And the second, data processing, employee capability, information system capability, and motivation, empowerment, and alignment. This means the motivation, empowerment, and alignment are the most important measurement for manager to determine to what extent employee contributed to the company. Discussion. The next, the data was obtained from interview, documentation technique and questionnaire to manager, employee, and customer PT Nutek Punti Arta, and the first result of data processing. The follow is the processing result based on balance scorecard analysis using 4 perspective. This first financial perspective, internal business perspective, learning growth perspective, as well as customer perspective. In this table, the results data processing, this information is business strategy, very good, internal business, good, learning and growth is good, customer is very good, financial decrease is not good. Thus, it can be concluded that the performance of PT Nutek Mundi Arta when measured by the balance scorecard. Its business strategy is good. 3 perspective are good: customer perspective, internal business process perspective, as learning and growth perspective. And 1 perspective are not good. In this financial perspective, because the profit generated by PT Nutek Mundi Arta is not effective. In the second, analysis of the result with strategy map model. Based on the result of the performance measurement of PT Nutek Punti Arta with the balance scorecard with the result of 1 perspective, it is not good. In this, the financial perspective, because the profit generated by PT Nutek Punti Arta is not effective. To improve this financial perspective, translation strategy is needed using strategy map that translated the result of the balance scorecard method. In this basic line, learning and good perspective, in this increase the activities, field checking and cooperation studies in building Kaizen and 5S culture, encouraging employee perspective to be creative and innovative. In the layer second, internal business perspective. In this first, prioritizing maintenance to improve the performance and capability of production machines. In the second, increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the production process. In the third, increase employee productivity. In the layer third, customer perspective. In the first, increase production quantity, improve product quality, and improve service quality. In the top financial perspective, in the goal, improve the company's financial performance, in supported optimizing budget use, increase the ratio of operating profit to sales. In this figure, strategy map from the measurement result of the balance scorecard in all category is correlation to support to improving the company's financial performance goal is good perspective in the next year. Conclusion. This study aims to determine the company's performance in 2018 until 2020 at PT Nutek Punti Arta. The result of performance measurement using the balance scorecard method at PT Nutek Punti Arta as follows. The first, business strategy of PT Nutek Punti Arta based on the calculation result obtained a value of 77.02. This value illustrated that the manager attitude towards the performance condition of PT Nutek Punti Arta is very satisfied because it is in the range of value 0 until 80. This means that the business strategy of PT Nutek Punti Arta is good. In the second, when viewed from the NPM ratio, it can be seen the financial perspective is not effective because the NPM in 2020 is small and in the year 2019 and 2018. The NPM in 2020 is 9.37%, in 2019 12.90%, and in 2020 16.39%. 83%. This is due to the high interest experience that must be borne by PT Nutek Punti Arta. The high level of sales is not proportional to the increase in profit. This can be interpreted that the performance of PT Nutek Punti Arta, viewed from a financial perspective, is not effective. In the third, when measured from the customer perspective, the performance of PT Nutek Punti Arta is good. This is based on the result of the customer questionnaire calculation obtained a value of 44.50. This value illustrated that the customer attitude to the condition of the performance PT Nutek Mundi Arta is very satisfied because it is in the range 0 until 80 value range. And the fourth, when measured from the internal business process perspective, the performance of PT Nutek Mundi Arta is good. This is based on the result of the manager questionnaire calculation obtained of value of 114.41. And the five, when measured from the perspective learning and growth, the performance of PT Nutek Mundi Arta is good. This is based on the result of the employee questionnaire calculation obtained a value of 104.54. According to the method of the performance balance scorecard PT Nutek Mundi Arta in 2018 until 2020, when measured by the balance scorecard, its business strategy is good. Three good perspectives are the customer perspective, the internal business process perspective, and the learning growth perspective. And the one bad perspective is the financial perspective because the profit generated by PT Nutek Mundi Arta is not effective. Okay, thank you for listening my presentation. My name is Muhammad Maman Arifin, Fawar Fawazji, and Usep Iduzaman. We come from the Industrial Engineering with STT Wastu Kancana, Purwakarta. Thank you and see you next again.